Live from the NBC6 studios, this is South Florida Today.
Well, our next guest says we can feast our way to health, better health, if we just follow her recipes. We're going to hear some terms today we may not be familiar with, but they sound good to me. Jan London has some favorite things to cook with, and she's brought them today, and she's also got a great cookbook called Coconut Cuisine. Jan, welcome. How are you?
Thanks so much. I'm fine.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, your products are like foreign to me.
Okay. I don't think so.
Okay.
Actually,
all right.
I mean, I'm sure you're familiar with coconut oil.
I am.
And this is what coconut oil should look like. First, it should be organic,
Okay.
virgin, unrefined,
Okay.
and it should be clear white and have the smell and the sweet scent of coconut.
Okay. Now, if it's lardy, should you not buy it like?
Well,
if
no,
it's, okay.
and if it's under 73 degrees, then
Okay.
because it's a saturated fat, it becomes solid.
Okay, gotcha.
And back in the 50s, there was a scam going on, or during that time when the soybean companies were bringing margarine into the company.
Right.
So they did these unreliable tests, and they've shown that coconut oil causes high cholesterol, but that was not true.
Okay.
And finally, after years of research, all that misinformation has been dispelled, and coconut oil is the most healthy oil on earth. It has no
really?
cholesterol. It's good for dieters, for liver problems, for antibacterial. It's the closest thing to mother's milk, and it's good
I didn't know all that.
for heart disease.
Okay,
even.
and you're cooking with it, right?
Now, this is what I'm doing.
Okay,
I'm making
you tell me.
coconut fried tofu. So
Okay.
this is so simple. I take the tofu, which has no taste,
Okay.
and I fry it in, heat some coconut oil, fry it up. Then I add some shoyu or tamari, which is a good quality soy sauce.
Okay.
And I just rub it on both sides. And then I take it out and cut it into
Okay.
squares,
All
and
right.
it's like cheese. You see?
I like tofu.
Oh, you do? Well,
Yes,
you're
I
going to
do.
love this.
Yes, I do.
And then stevia, which is, by the way, an herb from Paraguay, and it looks like this in the dry form.
Oh, see, I didn't know that. That's what it looks like.
And this is about 20 times sweeter than sugar, but in the liquid form, in the powdered extract, and there's also like a sweet and low kind of
Okay.
tablet, it's 300 times sweeter than sugar. It has a zero glycemic index, which means it doesn't affect blood sugar levels, perfect for diabetics,
Okay.
and it has 0 calories. Does it get any better than that?
Well, here's the thing, though. I started using stevia like 5 years ago, but it had like an aftertaste.
I know. That's why I wrote this book, because
Okay.
you're not going to believe it.
Okay.
And then I make with the, I just want you to try it right on
Okay.
camera. This is stevia ginger lemonade made from the brewed stevia.
That's good.
Of course,
That
it's
is
good.
very good.
And it's made with, it's
Wow.
sweetened with the stevia leaf. I made a tea with it, added ginger juice and lemon juice.
very tasty.
And then I cook with it. I use it as the liquid ingredient to fry, to saute root vegetables. So now I have some coconut oil. I'm just making a salad dressing.
Okay.
This is coconut oil, and you can use lemon juice or you can use balsamic vinegar.
I like balsamic vinegar.
I do too. And then we use a little salt, sea salt, or I like this shoyu
Okay.
as the salt, and then comes the real ingredient, the secret ingredient. And this is the liquid form. This is a clear liquid,
Okay.
which is, as I said, 300 times sweeter than sugar. So we just add like a couple of drops,
Oh,
because
so it's really
everything,
concentrated.
right?
Okay.
I mean, we do not want sugar in our diet. It causes a highly acidic condition, which is what causes most illnesses. And we, of course, don't want these sweet and low, or all these artificial sweeteners, which are toxic substances.
Okay.
And I'm going to talk more about it in my my demo.
Your book signing
Yes,
tomorrow,
I am.
right?
That's
3
right.
p.m. Coral Gables at the Barnes & Noble.
That's right.
Very cool. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
you've got a website too, right?
happystomach.com.
I love that website, happystomach.com.
Oh, yes.
So, okay, we better finish up, though, otherwise,
This
Jan,
is it.
they're not going to see the
This
finished
is it.
product.
That's
Okay.
it. Okay.
That's
Is that
it?
simple? Come on, this is simple. And then this, I add, this is it. And then, of course, I just combine all this. Now, this has
Okay.
a sweet dressing, and it also has the tardiness of the vinegar.
Okay.
And this is it. And the tofu will also take on. You can put it. You can use these cutlets on the side of as a side dish.
Okay.
Or I like to stuff it inside. Of
A pita pocket.
A pita pocket.
Well, Jan's book is Coconut Cuisine. If you go to our website, we'll link you to her website, Happy Stomach, right?
That's right, happystomach.com.
She has a lot of recipes there and instructions for ordering the book. Also, again, tomorrow she will be at the Barnes & Nobles, that's in Coral Gables at 3 p.m. signing her book. So you want to get over there. And, of course, go to our website at NBC6.net for more information. Is that my lunch, Jan?
Darling, that's your lunch.
Thank you so much. You're a dear. It looks good. All right, let's go over to Lonnie right now.
All right, Jane, wait for this. This weekend, Mercedes